What's up, guys? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm Sincerely Niko. In today's video, we are going to be trying out some new products. Well, a new product, new brand, completely new, and that is the Patrick Starr One Size Beauty Makeup Wipes and Dissolving Mist from the oh so coveted Go Off collection. The Juiciest Wipes and the Dissolving Mist. I have on a full face. We're about to take this off. We're about to see if this is really worth the $24 and the $15. We want to see if it's worth this $30, $40 combination. Is it really worth it? Is it worth it? I put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it. To the test. Does it dissolve this makeup, etc, etc. So if you guys are interested in this type of video, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Join me here on YouTube. We're almost to 5K. We're almost to 5K. We're almost to 5K. We're almost to 5K. We're almost to 4.5, but we're almost to 5K in my mind. Almost to 5K. Let's get to 5K. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on into this video.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
I want to kind of talk about my foundation base ordeal so you guys can kind of know what it's fighting against. On my face, I actually have the Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation, 24 hours in the shade Tiramisu. With the concealers, I put 2 concealers on. I have Toffee and Chestnut. I also have a little bit of the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in F15. You guys know I like to go more full coverage around the jawline until I get my laser hair removal situation in this area, and she becomes something I don't have to worry about. I have to go full coverage in this area. We all know that. And then everything else is powder based. Highlight is Hot and Heavy from Patrick Starr. Hey Patrick. Hey girl. That's about it. That's all I have on. Eyeshadow is Wet n Wild. It's one of their cream eyeshadows, and it's also a cream gel liner. So we're gonna see if it's gonna take off this waterproof eye beat, this little smoky eye that I did, real quick beat on my Instagram. If you guys are not following me, it's gonna pop up right here. This is my Instagram handle. Check it out. Follow me. All right. So let me read some info about this brand. We're gonna get into the product information. All right. So the One Size by Patrick Starr Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. She retails for $24, and you can get her on Klarna for 4 easy installments of $6. So guys, Sephora now offer Klarna. What is this? It is an epic continuous mist that slips over the skin effortlessly and instantly dissolves heavy makeup without leaving the skin feeling tight or dry. It's good for all skin types, normal, oily, combination, and dry. Sensitive skin might not like this because it does have a little bit of fragrance built into it. To me, it helps with skincare concerns of dryness and oiliness. I don't know, a dissolving mist helps with that. But it's on here. The formulation is a mist. Highlighted ingredients is jojoba oil, which calms and hydrates, and rosehip oils which moisturize, exfoliates, and brightens. Then the second item that he launched is the One Star by Patrick Starr Go Off Juiciest Makeup Removing Wipes. These retail for $15. You get 21 wipes in here. What is this? This is a plush, supersized makeup wipe that glides onto the skin refreshingly and removing makeup with just 1 juicy wipe. It's good for all skin types, normal, oily, dry, and combination. Skin concerns is dryness and oiliness. I don't know why I didn't put the skincare concerns when it's makeup removing wipes and mist. Formulations is wipes. Highlighted ingredients is coconut water to help cleanse and hydrate, aloe leaf extract to help moisturize, chamomile and cucumber extract to help soothe and relieve. So it's safe to use around the eyes for liners and stuff of that kind of caliber. So we're gonna start off with the mist. According to what Patrick says on his website, is that you need to do it in an O circle, an S, and then a slash if you need extra help, boost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually remove only half of one face so we can see how much of a full coverage beatdown does this mist help dissolve and the wipes help remove. You get my drift. Here we go. Removing the left side of my face, which is you guys right. And here we go. Alright, so there is a little bit of drippage, but maybe because I put too much on, and that's perfectly fine. I have my Juiciest Wipe. Here's another brand comparison so you can kind of see how big his wipes are compared to one of the leading drugstore brands. You get almost like 1/3 extra in the packaging. Alright, so I'm taking a Juicy Wipe. And the first pass. Here's the first pass through. First pass through. And that's the first pass. That literally took off my eyeshadow, took some of my brow, took my contour, my highlight, my foundation, of course. It left a little bit of blush up here, but that's fine. All right, second pass. Going in areas where I missed. Mascara. Face is pretty much wiped clean. Brows are like completely clean to like actually resculpt again. That's pretty much one wipe, one pass through, one spray, two pass throughs, of course, but my skin is pretty much clean. Now, the touch, it is very oily. There is a little bit of the mist residue still left on my skin. The wipe didn't really remove all of the mist residue. Plus, I did kind of go overdose on it, so it's possibly that's one of the main reasons why there is still some oil residue on. But I personally like it because I know having this feeling on my skin is telling me that I need to go ahead and finish my skincare regimen by using a cleanser to be able to really get deep and cleanse out all of the foundation and the gunks and the dirt and debris in my pores from wearing this foundation all day. It just kind of gives me that extra sense of notion that I need to go ahead and finish what started. And I feel like this mist is one of the most innovative things on the market, personally. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side real quickly and be back to talk about my overall thoughts of the brand. Alright guys, so I'm back. Face has been completely removed. The foundation, I haven't really done my whole entire full skincare. But I do want to come on here and end this video real quick. It's going to be a real short, easy peasy video. Just so that you guys can kind of know what's going on with the one size brand. So this is not, I feel like this is not the only thing that Patrick's going to launch. I know it's not the only thing that Patrick's going to launch. Patrick's going to launch something else that's going to literally probably scream Patrick first and foremost. But it's going to kind of change the way we think about makeup. And I feel that Patrick has always had a out-of-the-box way of thinking about makeup. And I think the things he's going to create for his brand and the things he's going to bring out for his brand, because I know this is not the I personally know that this is not the only item that he's going to launch within this month. There's going to be other things coming out pertaining to one size. I just feel that the go off is just a start to give a mantra to his story of him becoming who he is in the beauty industry. And I think that is very smart. Now, I'm going to be honest, and I know Patrick Papa's going to see this video. I love you, Patrick, but I'm going to be honest. If I had to go and spend my money all on this all again, because this was not sent to me via PR, I literally had to. I purchased this by myself, my own hard-earned money, so I'm giving an honest review. I just feel that if I had to tell my past self what to purchase from the Go Off collection, which product should I have focused the most on getting, is actually the Go Off Mist. Honestly, this is the hero product from this collection. I feel the wipes are just, they're good. Don't get me wrong, they're good. For one, they're larger than your leading wipes on the market, drugstore or high end. They're very much larger, bigger, and juicier. It is what it is, and it says what it says on the packaging. It is what it is, and it says what it says on the packaging. Different. It's different. That's just all I have to say. But honestly, I will repurchase this again and again and again and again and again and again. Honestly, I'm probably going to talk more or less about the mist than the wipes in this whole entire video. I'm going to be honest with you. The wipes are okay, but the mist is the hero product. If you have not purchased anything from the Go Off collection, I strongly recommend, suggest, and telling you that you have no choice but to buy the mist. The mist is really that girl. I'm a person that likes to use makeup bombs, and then keep in mind when I'm using makeup bombs, I'm using my hands to apply the makeup bombs, which mix and, how can I say, it mix and emulsify and melts the makeup as I'm applying it onto the skin. Then I add water, then it activates the oil, and I'm still rubbing the balm into the skin. This eliminates my hands using any products on it to melt the makeup off, but a finger and force a clasp around the bottle to spray. That's it. The mist is ultra fine. I'm gonna try to spray it over my shirt. It's ultra fine. It's beautiful. Like, I don't know how to like describe it, but it's ultra fine. It evenly like hits the spaces that you need. You saw me remove one half and it did not get anything onto the other half. Even though I did it more up less close, I was able to be very precise. So if you need to like really work on just removing the eyes so that you can be able to use your foundation for another look, I think this will be able to do that by using a napkin or something, in case may be, and then actually wiping off the eyeshadow so that you don't have to remove the whole entire foundation. I think you can be very precise with cleaning your foundation or your eyeshadow looks with this. She melted the life out of my face, and I had on a full coverage foundation. Like, period. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed my thoughts and reviews on the One Size Go Off collection. If you guys are getting any products or already have some products, because I don't know when this video is going up. If you guys have any of these products or purchasing any of these products, what are your personal favorites from the Go Off collection, and what do you guys expect to see from Patrick's newest launch that's probably coming soon? What are you guys are expecting to try out? I'm eager to know, I want to know, and I'm excited to know. So I hope that you guys comment down below what products are you guys interested in getting from the Go Off collection, and what do you guys expect that One Size will launch in the near future. I'm going to go ahead and hop off here and finish the rest of my day. I have enjoyed seeing you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, right? Peace. Bye.
Yeah, I like Linktr.ee. That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city,